ChatGPT has 900 million users. Claude has 14% quarterly growth, the fastest of any AI right now. And while everyone is busy using ChatGPT for basic tasks, a smaller group of people is using Claude to build digital product businesses, earning 50,000 rupees to 2 lakh rupees a month. This video is exactly how they do it. What's up everyone? Welcome back to Wealth AI, where we turn artificial intelligence into actual income. Today, I'm giving you my complete system for building and selling digital products using Claude AI. No physical inventory, no shipping, no manufacturing. Build once, sell forever. Let's go. Let me be direct about this. For creating sellable digital products, Claude is the upgrade right now. Here's what happened. Claude's quarterly growth hit 14%, the highest in AI. Developers who've switched say the output is cleaner. Business professionals who've tried both say Claude produces more structured, more accurate, long form content. For digital products specifically, this gap matters. A prompt guide built with Claude comes out better organized. An ebook written with Claude reads more naturally. A business template created with Claude needs less editing. Less editing means faster production. Faster production means more products. More products means more income. The answer is simple. For building sellable digital assets, Claude is one of the strongest tools available right now. And here's a strategic insight nobody is talking about. Because most of the market is still focused on ChatGPT, Claude specific products on platforms like Gumroad have significantly less competition. You are entering a buyer ready market before the crowd arrives. Let me be specific about what works in 2026. Product type 1, prompt packs. A curated collection of 20 to 50 tested prompts for one specific niche. Copywriting, real estate listing descriptions, HR documents, LinkedIn posts. Price range 499 rupees to 1999 rupees. A well-positioned prompt pack on Gumroad can move 50 to 200 copies a month with minimal marketing. That's 25,000 rupees to 400,000 rupees from a single product. Product type 2, templates. Standard operating procedure documents, business proposal frameworks, email sequence structures, freelancer contract templates. Claude writes the architecture, you refine and package. Price range 699 rupees to 3,999 rupees. Product type 3, mini ebooks. 30 to 50 pages covering one specific narrow topic. The complete guide to getting international clients on LinkedIn in 2026 for Indian freelancers. Claude drafts the content. You edit, add your experience, format it in Canva. Price range 999 rupees to 4,999 rupees. Product type 4, short digital courses. 5 to 7 short videos covering one concrete skill. Claude writes the scripts. You record. You upload to Gumroad or PayHip. Price range 1,999 rupees to 7,999 rupees. 4 product types, each with clear demand, each buildable in under a week. Here's the exact creation system. 5 steps. Step 1, research the problem. Go to Reddit, search your niche, find the question that keeps appearing every week. That question is your product idea. When 100 people in a community ask the same thing, there's a market waiting. Step 2, use Claude to draft. Give it a detailed prompt, not write me an ebook. Instead, I'm creating a 40-page ebook for Indian freelancers about getting international clients through LinkedIn. Write a full chapter outline with 5 chapters. Each chapter should cover a specific strategy, include a real-world example, and end with 3 action steps. Step 3, refine and add your voice. Read every section. Add your own experience. Change the tone to match Wealth AI. Direct, data-driven, practical. Remove the filler Claude occasionally generates. Claude drafts fast. You make it real. Step 4. Design with Canva. Use a professional template. Clean cover, readable interior, 2 hours maximum. Step 5. List on Gumroad. Write a description that starts with the search keyword your buyer uses. Set your price. Add a discount code for newsletter subscribers as an incentive to sign up. Done. 3 platforms dominate for digital products in 2026. Gumroad, PayHip, and Etsy digital downloads. Gumroad is the best starting point. It's free to list. They take a percentage from each sale, and the audience already understands how to buy digital products. For traffic, your YouTube channel is the engine. Every video you make is a funnel for a product. end every video with a soft CTA. I created a full step-by-step guide on this. Link is in the description. You're not selling, you're extending the value. Here's the math. 1000 views per video, 3% click through to the product page, 10% conversion to purchase, 999 rupees price per product. That's 2997 rupees per video, recurring as long as the video gets traffic. Build 10 videos pointing at 2 or 3 products. That's passive income, real compounding monthly. Here's how this compounds. Start with one product, validate it, get your first 5 sales. Then build a second product that complements the first. Offer them together as a bundle. Bundles increase average order value significantly and help buyers get better results. At 5 products, averaging 5 sales each per month at 1500 rupees average price, that's 37,500 rupees a month in digital product income. No client calls, no fulfillment, no deadlines, just digital assets working for you. That's the digital products model. Built with Claude, sold on Gumroad, powered by content. This is wealth engineering. I've put my top 5 Claude prompt templates, the exact prompts I use to create digital products, inside the free Wealth AI newsletter. If you're serious about building your first product this month, that's your starting point. Link is in the description. Drop a comment below. What type of digital product would you build first? Prompt pack, ebook, template, digital course? Tell me. I read every single comment and I use your feedback to create future videos. And if you found value in this video, hit the like button. It tells YouTube to show this content to more people who are trying to build income streams with AI instead of just consuming content. Subscribe to Wealth AI because every week we are breaking down real AI opportunities, real business models, and real strategies that ordinary people can use to create extraordinary results. No hype, no fake screenshots, no overnight success stories. Just practical AI systems that can help you build income, skills, and freedom over time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of the Wealth AI community. And remember, the people who win in the AI era won't be the ones who use the tools the most. They'll be the ones who build assets with them. I'll see you in the next video.